Tonight we're making a lot of chocolate chip cookies. My son's hockey team is having a dinner tomorrow night and everyone needed to bring something to contribute. They're doing tacos and they asked if everyone could choose something off the list to bring. So I couldn't just pick one thing. I picked to bring taco meat, and then I also, for some reason, was like, I can bring a dessert too. That wasn't even on the list. So now here I am. Gonna stay up till like midnight probably making enough chocolate chip cookies for all these hockey players and their families. So that's the story behind this. All right, I'm gonna do 3 cups of white sugar and then 3 cups of brown sugar. All right, now we're doing 3 cups of butter. I'm doing this country crock because that's what I like in chocolate chip cookies. Happens. They see you there, cheer them on.
Mom, look what I got. Gatorade?
How come none of my kids can say Gatorade?
I have no idea, man.
They all call it something different. We're gonna go mix this up. Okay, 6 eggs. This one's huge. It was a double yolk. It was that one. Do you see it? It was a double yolk. Exciting. A tablespoon of vanilla. And maybe like another half a tablespoon for good measure. And mix. Tablespoon of baking soda. Maybe like half a tablespoon of salt. And mix. There's no way I can fit 9 cups of flour in here. It's too full. So we're gonna bring this to another mixing bowl. 9 cups of flour. Actually, we're gonna do 10 cups of flour. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a lot of flour. Adding that in, and then we're gonna mix it. And hopefully it makes some dough. That's a question I'll have to ask Dad. I don't know how you will do it. I don't know how you say you have a
I'm gonna call. I'm gonna get you on. Can't do it on.
It's getting hard to mix. I need a bigger stand mixer. That bowl just isn't big enough. Not when I'm doing this kind of mass production of cookies. This is a workout. Okay, it's almost mixed up, so we're gonna add some chocolate chips while we finish mixing. This is probably about 24 ounces of chocolate chips. Or like 2 bags.
2 bags, right? Yeah, that's a lot of chocolate.
Oh yeah, it's looking great. Just great. It's coming together. In it. Look at this beautiful cookie dough. Oh yeah. Alright, here's my dough. Looks so good. And I will not bake cookies on anything other than air-baked cookie sheets. And these are very well loved. I did ask for new ones for Christmas, so we'll see if I get them. Alright, these are going in at 375 for like 10 minutes. Alright, here's what they look like just out of the oven, and I'll show you the final result with all the cookies next. Alright, here is all of the cookies. That's a lot of chocolate chip cookies. Totally already taste tested these, but they're so yummy. Rick ate half of this one already. Setting that one aside. Should be enough for hockey.